The Nova by Taego Audio, a revolutionary new mini portable speaker that is loud enough to fill a room, yet small enough to fit in your pocket. The Nova is compatible with your iPhone, iPad, laptop, or virtually any device with a mini headphone jack. When you unbox the Nova, you will find the carrying case, USB charging cable, and owner's manual. The Nova has an internal lithium-ion battery that you charge over USB. After 2 hours, the battery is fully charged, and the Nova will work for around 8 hours. Using the Nova couldn't be easier. Simply hold the power button for 3 seconds. The volume controls are located on the other feet, and under the speaker, you will find the mini jack plug. The Nova has a few built-in features that give you amazing sound. First, there is the patented bass chamber. This allows you to expand the speaker for a richer bass and can collapse for easy carrying. And there is the patented daisy chain function. You can connect multiple Novas for an even bigger sound. The Nova by Taego Audio. Big sound in a speaker that fits in the palm of your hand.